Please stop buying leads. You are chasing pipe dreams, folks, and you're ultimately just going to quit with way less money than you started with. I'm Gavin and we are Loan Brokers. We do this stuff and I really want to get real with you. I see so many people falling for this trap in other programs and I understand why folks actually do this. You know, a few $100 for like 2,000 leads, like what's to lose? Well, $200 for a start. Do you really think 2,000 leads of buyers would be sold that cheap? If I had 2,000 hot leads that were that good, I can tell you now, after doing all of the work that I know you need to do to get them and qualify them for them to be that good, I would not be selling them, okay? These leads often amount to no more than just lists of names and emails. They often are just trash guys, which is what most people are dealing with. And yeah, you can make a bit of money with them possibly, but even that takes skill. And most people starting out often don't have that skill, which is why most just waste their money. Guys, if you want to be a real business loan broker, you're going to have to do the work. And part of that is learning how you get your deals for free, how you actually get them, your work. This is your business. And if it's your business, you've got to know how it works, all parts of it. Clients are your lifeblood, so do not shortcut that learning curve, okay? There are no shortcuts in this success. People selling leads are often doing it just to make money. They don't care whether you get anything from that or not. Their money's made by selling the leads. You need to learn how to do this properly, okay? And I mean really properly. Stop falling for the hype that's out there with all of these different types of programs. There are no shortcuts to this. It's a proper profession. You know, your dreams are not going to be made by you taking shortcuts. So don't buy the leads. Don't fall for the hype, guys. You know, and if you do want to learn more about how you can actually be trained by real business loan brokers in the field, yes, we do have a program. We do teach this stuff. It's not for everybody. We don't accept everybody because we know what is required to actually get success at this stuff, okay? But the bottom line here is stop wasting your money on buying leads. You do not know what you don't know yet. You're here to build a business, I would have thought, if that's what you're doing, right? If that's why you're looking for this. You want to create wealth. You want to set yourself free. You want to step away from that 9 to 5. You are not going to get that by looking for quick hacks and things that these different programs promote. You've got to learn how to do it properly. So build your knowledge first, then go take action. Now, in our program, we can help you learn while you earn, okay? There is a lot of money out there. There's a lot of opportunity out there, but you've got to know how to get in front of it and do it the right way, okay? We can teach you that. You can look through all of the videos on our YouTube channel to see that we're genuine about how we do that stuff. We are not selling training here, guys, but obviously if you want to learn about how you can fast track results, work with us because we know what we're doing. Click the link, book a call. We'll speak to you and see where we go. Other than that, guys, don't buy the leads, please.